Hi there, welcome to another educational video documenting my Web3 expeditions. In this video, I'll be talking about an AI project I found that I'm tracking. I'm monitoring it for its TGE, and I would like to have my hands on the token. You will see why in the course of this video. To conclude the video, I'll feature some DeFi related projects with airdrops. All of them are tokenless, have airdrops. You should pay attention to them. For this particular token, I'm keen on its TGE, and I'm basically monitoring it for its TGE. So I started exploring an ecosystem associated with this token, which I found on CoinGecko called Max. It has risen. I saw it on trending on CoinGecko many times. So when you check further, you will see that it's tied to an entire AI ecosystem and also AI infra. So I will do a dedicated video relating to its ecosystem. Its ecosystem is called Oraichain. Wait, just a moment, please. So you see the way the ticker starts with Oraichain. That's the ecosystem. I mean the infra powering. So Oraichain. We will touch on it. Not to worry. So let's just open this. I'll do a dedicated video about this. It's basically, sorry, it's not this. It's not this. Let's see. All right. Just a moment, please. Wow. Am I mistaken? Just a moment. Not this, not this. Just a moment. All right. Oraichain ecosystem. Just a moment. No, I'll find it. Not that. Okay. Anyway, let's just get started. So, Max. Wow. Where is Max again? Okay. Okay. So, the token is going to launch out of this Launchpad for AI agents. It's called Agents Land. It has birthed some solid AI agent tokens so far. So it's a launchpad of interest, but it's not very easy to be able to be eligible to participate in launches out of agents land at the moment, because for the most part you have to stake Max into a vault and the requirement is high. So in my case, for this particular token, I'm looking to purchase it upon launch. Okay, the name of the token is this Liquid. The reason is because it's tackling an aspect of DeFi, referring to DeFi AI that no other project has tackled. Basically, it's going to be a personal helper in liquidity manager, tackling AMMs. It's not called AMMs generally on when it comes to Solana. So CLMM and DLMM of Meteora. I think Radium uses CLMM. Okay, so it's going to assist you, basically manage, have its own treasury where it manages its own, it manages this liquidity provision strategy with ROI in mind, and it will distribute it to its stakers. So you can chat with it, by the way, to get a gist of what it is about. So basically it has a chart portal here. It also has an agent on X as we speak. So you see here, it says my capabilities includes liquidity investment optimization. I help you make smart investment decisions in the DeFi world, adaptive and strategic. I adjust my strategies based on market conditions and your goals. Profit maximization. I work to grow your capital and increase your returns. So basically it's unique. Let's put it like that. Mind you, these videos, I do my research within the video itself. So I just passively came across it and I'm doing my due diligence as I document it. That's the nature of my videos, okay? So it's not tokenized yet, but its token is coming about. I believe the TGE is on the 13th, or the fundraising event is on the 13th on this platform here, agents.land. Okay, so again, my very first arrival here. So there's going to be a launch event for that token, and generally you will need to stake max. I'm going to do a dedicated video on agents land. I'm also going to do a dedicated video on this portal here. This portal, it looks like you can earn something. So it has some XP mechanism, that may result in some form of airdrop or whitelist. I'll uncover that in another video. For now, I'll put a link to this portal in the description for those who want to get started. This video is simply to intimate you of this project called Liquid Clan, and why I'm interested in it. Okay, so the details of the token sale. Yes, so it's Oraichain.io. If you click here, you will see it's a direct product of this, or the infra powering it is this Oraichain.io. And here it's saying presenting liquid. Okay, so now I will do another video about this because I'm interested in this. This looks like an infra that enables you create agents that are DeFi active, AI agents. Again, I'll explore this in another video. Okay, so basically you can create strategies, have an agent implement it for you and all that. And it looks like Liquid is like a primary agent of Orch AI. Okay. Yes. So a dedicated video will come about this. The token it has a token which I was looking for earlier on. Okay, so it's wow, it's actually Oraichain, what we saw earlier. I'm not very sure, but that is aside. Okay, so I'll do a dedicated video about this. In particular, my interest is in the sale event. I mean, sorry, the TGE event. So speaking of that, let's see if we can find out a tweet breaking that down. Okay, so here it said that Lee will be listed on agents.land. Subscription vaults. Each AI agent that launches on agent.land will require a minimum of 5 million max subscribed in order to start the launch timer. So that's collective. Subscribers are whitelisted for the party round. Max is locked 14 days to secure the launch at 5 million max. Soft cap 23-hour countdown starts to launch. So I don't know the technicalities here of how to participate in a round. It says party round. Subscribers who have locked their max to support the launch will have early access to purchase on the bonding curve 1 hour before the public round. First come, first serve. Allocation cap of 1% per wallet. Allowance equal ratio of locked max. So it looks like there is no like specification on how much max you can lock. It looks like it's any amount of max, but your allocation is determined by the ratio of your locked max. Now you'll be able to participate during the bonding curve. This is an interesting launchpad. Okay. Public round. The party round ends after 1 hour or when the cap is reached. Okay. Whichever comes first. Launching the first come first serve public round. Open for all participants. The final 10% of the bonding curve is for the public. Wow, this is an interesting launchpad. Wow. So the public can participate, but they'll be able to buy at a cap of 0.5 SOL, and there will only be 10% left of the bonding curve for the public. But I don't know if it will get... Okay, it will definitely get there because this party round involves 90% of the bonding curve. So it depends on how speedy you are to get the tokens, what is left of the 10% of the bonding curve. Of course, after bonding curve, it will then launch on Radium or whichever DEX. So in this case, multi-listing on Solana and Oraichain. Oraichain, I don't know if it's an... So it's an AI layer 1 for Web3. Okay, so it looks like it's compatible with Solana. And bonding curve is reached when a 240k market cap is reached. So meaning that if you attempt to get it when it finally launches on Radium, the minimum M cap you'll be getting it at is at 240. So that's why I'm interested in this, because who knows, there may be a chance of getting in even at a 2 million market cap. With AI agents, I can get in even at a 2 million market cap, especially with one like this, for long-term hold, for utility and all that. 2% allocation is distributed to strong box vaults. 1% allocation is distributed to each the creator AI agent and distilled AI. I don't know the role of distilled AI. It looks like a portal that gives, some instantaneous utility to the agent. I would think so. So, wow, this is the date. It's actually later today. Today is January 11th, 3 p.m. UTC. So I'll be monitoring this to attempt to participate out of agents.land. Then I would, I would not have much expectation doing so. But I would look to get this on chain, on the DEX when it launches on the DEX. Interesting project according to me. The agent is here. You can also interact with it directly on X. It's already tweeting out information. Okay, so of course, by the time during the event, you may have access to the contract. And then once I have access to the contract, I'll be using BullX Neo to trade. So I should feature BullX Neo at this stage. You need an invite code to join and a Telegram account. I use it for capturing bullish opportunities in the AI agent niche. Most of my purchases out of Pump Fund in recent times using BullX Neo are AI agents, basically. Because there's a lot you can do here. You can filter with, keywords. And of course, there's a lot you can do. You can study all the wallets on Solana, know which is a smart wallet, know his history of the wallet in terms of ROI, profitable trades. You can tag a wallet and create an alert such that you can copy it. Then you can limit trade, advance DC, rotate your trades amongst wallets as powerful as can be. So your invites to this will be in the description. Now, to conclude the video, there are many other projects I'm monitoring. Tokenless projects, some of them have airdrops. I don't know if I will be able to highlight each of them in the course of this video, but they will be in the description. So check them out. I covered one recently called this one. It's also tokenless. You need an invite to be able to get started using it. This one can trade for you right on X, and it's tokenless, multi-chained, powerful project. So the invite will be in the description. I also covered Hey Elsa, which I believe could have an airdrop. Also needs an invite. A productive AI agent as well with DeFi capabilities, and it has a point system, so I would expect that it has an airdrop. Again, I'll just list them in the description. There are many airdrop prospects in the AI agent niche. Again, you can find them on Airdrop C, but Airdrop C is a bit disorganized. I aim to reform it and fill it with 100 solid airdrop opportunities by the end of the month with full-fledged tutorials for each. But in the niche of AI-related airdrops, you can look for AI Wayfinder, a very good one. Farcade, Chainbase, Creator Bead, and which other one? Good Tech is a good one. Kaito, those are the ones I'm interested in. For tokens, AI agents with near-term TGE, there is Hey Elsa, IME. Now we have IME. We have the one I covered now. There's also one DeFi. I've not added it here. I will likely add it, but I've done a video about it. Yes, so those are the ones I'm monitoring. And there is one more which I will cover. Hopefully by the time you see this video, you'll find all those all the aforementioned here on the page. Subscribe to Web3 Wikis, subscribe to on all social, subscribe to airdrop reminders here, so that when the 100 airdrops are ready, I will be sending an email out. I've created a Telegram group where you can chat as well. It will be in the description. Alternative to that Telegram is a decentralized version of alternative to Telegram called Towns, which has raised $50 million and has a prospective airdrop. Considering they have a point system, you can also join there to chat. And that's about it for this video. Stay awesome, take action.